Alright guys, we're here with Michael on the Raptor. He's got started.
Okay.
Do breakdown of everything we're doing to this car real quick.
Okay. So from the intake all the way down to the turbos.
Yep.
We're replacing it bigger, better, harder, thicker.
Badder.
Baddest.
Baddest.
From there, we're going from the turbos all the way out to the back, replacing those as well. Catalyst downpipes, bigger catalyst downpipes. All the way to a Borla ATAK. We're replacing the radiator, thicker one, more cooling, bigger intercooler, more cooling, more power. Replace the port injection injectors with bigger, badder. Obviously the big brake kit right here. Tune. Hopefully we can figure out a way to put on a dyno. If not, probably a hub dyno.
Cold air intake.
Kind of really.
You said that already?
Yeah, from the intake all the way on the turbos. Yep.
And then a tune.
And then tune. Yeah. So I mean, this thing is going to be 700 horsepower monster.
I hope so.
All in the dirt.
It's going to sound cool with the Borla too.
It will sound pretty cool.
Right.
I will think that will sound pretty cool.
All right. Well,
Might be loud.
Let's get into it. 1, 2, 3.
Cool.
Now what?
On to the caliper.
Freaking beefy.
This thing weighs a decent amount of weight to it.
How big are yours on your truck?
Mine's bigger.
Is it?
No. Oh, so these are directional. Oh no, they're not.
How heavy are they? 20 pounds?
Probably 25.
Oh,
you want to hold it? Oh,
okay.
So it's a little heavy. It's got some weight to it. Oh, so satisfying. Lines are on, yep. So,
yeah, it's right there.
Yeah, there you go. Boom. Don't you fucking do that. Don't you fucking try that. Alright, another. Well,
what just happened? What are we doing?
We are in the dark.
Yeah, what happened?
We lost power.
Just out of nowhere.
Out of nowhere. Lights flickered on and off, and then it went boom.
Here at Wicked, we care. We keep working in the dark.
Heck yeah.
Right?
Yep.
We were born in the dark.
You're molded by the dark.
So what are you doing right now?
So right now, I am bleeding the new calipers. Basically, when they come new, there's no fluid, so there's just air.
Yep.
And the air is not good in the brake system. So you got to push all the air out, and that's what we are doing right now. We're doing a manual bleed.
Are you creating a vacuum?
No, actually, Peyton in there is pushing the brake pedal to make pressure. So
it's pressure,
forces,
not vacuum.
Not vacuum.
Okay.
I don't like vacuum. I've never had good luck with vacuum. Yeah. So we do it the old-fashioned way.
Adam loves vacuum.
Adam loves vacuum.
So.
The man lives. He was born in vacuum.
He was born in a vacuum. Avoid.
Yeah, avoid. All right, pump it, Peyton. Pump it.
Pump it up.
Hold it.
Hey, you're doing great.
Oh, thank you. One more, pump it. It's actually doing pretty good.
Yeah.
It's because I gravity bled it before.
Yeah. It is interesting that you have to like siphon it, right?
Yeah, kind of. In a roundabout way.
Well, yeah, because if it gets to the pinnacle right here,
Yeah.
it drops down.
Okay, relax. So now, take this off. And whoop, whoop, and we're gonna drop out all the stuff we just pushed in.
I've done that and make a lot of noise.
Just like that. Okay, so now the bottom bleeder is Bud.
Hell yeah. Good job.
Thanks, man.
We gotta turn on every light that you guys own.
I would prefer not to.
Why?
Because, I mean, if we need to see something,
Oh, yeah.
and all of our lights are drained, just for media.
Hey, I'm just saying.
Media is number one.
When this battery dies,
Yeah.
I'm useless.
You're going home, is what you're saying.
Yeah.
But you have emotional support. You give us emotional support, Dave.
True, true. Dale, what are we doing here?
So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the parts that we got for the Raptor. We got all the stuff for the Raptor. We got the turbos, we got the exhaust. I think that's a new intercooler.
Mm-hmm.
Boom! This is what we got.
Yeah. Michael's working on it right now. He's taking the turbos off the EcoBoost, right? We have these new ones right here.
Yep, we got them from Garrett. Let's take a look at them. All right. So too crazy, but there's the turbo.
It's a lot wider right there.
Yep, it is made in Mexico.
Really?
Yeah.
Interesting.
It's a Garrett turbo. It's
There you go.
pretty hefty.
Intake.
Intakes.
Yep.
COBB intakes. Yep.
Nice.
COBB intake system.
Pretty fat. There we go. Yeah, so intake, exhaust, upgraded turbos, and intercooler. Should do pretty well, right?
Yeah, I mean it's currently making probably 360,
Yeah.
and then we got to tune it after we install this. So
Yeah. And
it's gonna make some pretty good power.
yeah, I mean, based off of what I've seen, like,
It's gonna be like a baby Raptor R.
right?
If he plans to go off-roading with it or Baja stuff,
Yeah.
it'll do the job.
Yeah. Cool. All right. We're gonna go to Michael. More's coming out. Ugh. Oh my god.
Oh no!
Oh my
Lord.
god. Holy crap.
I already tried the coolant. Where's this coming from?
I don't know. What is...
Son of a bitch.
What's happening?
Coolant lines. What the?
Oh my god. Michael. What's happening right now?
So I took the coolant lines off of the turbo,
Yeah.
but I already drained the coolant. So I figured it would come out of that too.
Maybe there's another like reservoir somewhere.
Maybe, probably just got trapped up there.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Gravity.
So yeah.
You forget about gravity,
yeah.
you know?
It works. It does wonders.
Vacuums. Adam taught me that lesson.
It doesn't suck it down. It reduces negative pressure.
Yeah. What are your thoughts?
They're like 3 millimeters.
There we go. I mean, yeah, they're significantly bigger. Well, so it's a completely different style.
Oh, it is.
But-
oh, yeah. Pink.
I mean, yeah, they're definitely bigger.
Yep.
The little turbine in here doesn't seem all that much bigger. Exhaust
Oh.
is so much bigger.
Shorter too, right?
Just suck that air.
Yeah, let's see, get it out.
Suck that air, girl.
All right, Michael, we got the turbos out, but we kind of ran into something.
We did.
Can you explain kind of what's going on?
So, the 23 to 24 Raptor
Yes.
has this style flange, right?
Uh-huh.
Literally just looks like a triangle.
Yeah.
Well, the new flange for the turbos, new. It's 2017 to I think like 22.
Yeah.
They have a different, I guess, like style in a sense. So easiest way to show you side by side is you see how the flange is slightly different.
Yes.
How the angles
just slightly
over there. Yeah, just slightly. Well, it's enough so you can't bolt it up. On this particular car, it's a 24 Raptor.
Yeah.
This is for a 17.
Okay.
So for some reason they changed the flange style. I don't know why. So we had to replace the 24 manifolds with the older generation so we could adapt the new turbos, the bigger ones, to the truck. Secondly, I don't know if the older generation didn't have EGR, but the 24s do. EGR tube?
Yeah.
No EGR tube. So we're gonna have to drill that in to make that fit.
Yeah.
Third is the adapter that they give you for the new turbos.
Yep.
On the 24s, have a bigger,
Oh.
I guess like turbo.
Yeah. So you should go.
So it doesn't fit in there.
It's like
a lot of
step up
space.
the ring,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
So we're gonna have to play with that. This will bolt to the turbo. We'll probably have to cut this, weld these together.
Yeah. Make a step up ring, essentially.
Yeah, in a roundabout way. Yeah. So there's a few modifications we got to do to make this thing fit, but we'll make it fit here.
I mean, not every day you upgrade the turbos on
Exactly.
these, so
Exactly.
it's kind of new to some degree.
In a roundabout way, kind of new. New turbo, old style.
Yes.
But
Yeah.
here
So
we are.
yeah, that's where we are. Part 2.
Yep.
We'll definitely like show the turbos and all that.
Yep,
So
exactly.
back to the episode. Sheesh.
We got Borla
Bro.
ATAKs.
Yeah.
My God.
Dude.
That's going to be freaking obnoxious.
It's so big.
It should just be this pipe and
Is that one? What the heck? That's a fat boy right there.
Oh, that's cool.
What?
It's like a little shield to keep like junk out of the little spring for these things.
You gonna repurpose them?
If they'll fit, yeah, might as well.
Getting there?
Yeah, kind of. Can't really tighten anything down right now because obviously we don't have turbos in. We'll put that in. And then I can tighten it all down. So I'm just kind of like mocking it up right now.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're getting there.
Good stuff. Kind of a tough fit.
Yeah. It would have been better if it came with like little clamp guys right here.
Yeah.
Just like little exhaust clamps. They make little things that go on the end of this.
Oh yeah.
Since it doesn't have like a little nipple on the end.
Yeah.
So it doesn't just like fall out.
Yeah.
Like it does. But other than that, I mean, it's everything fits where it's supposed to.
Yeah. I mean, there's a lot of space down here.
Yeah.
Whoa. Okay.
Carbon fiber.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Better than these.
I mean, same diameter.
Seen them do it.
So we're coming to an end of the episode. Next week we're gonna finish up the intake, intercooler, bigger turbos, and then tune it. And we're also about to finish the LS Genesis. If you guys want to hear that rip on the dyno, that's going on. And we just finished up Kong, Flash Kong.
Sounds nasty.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Double checking leads, anything like that.
Oh,
Make sure everything's gonna function correctly.
Yeah. Are we gonna put it on the dyno?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah, this is going on the dyno.
Dude.
So if you want to see that thing rip on the dyno, it's going to be pretty nasty. Stay tuned for that. Also, got our exhaust on this beautiful Stingray C8. So if you want to see this get tuned, stay tuned for the next episode. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Catch you later.
My camera died, but
Shagalicious, baby.
yeah. Taste test.
Look how big those.
That one was a good one. The pineapple one?
Yeah.
I'm gonna
Pretty
try it.
damn good. I'm gonna be honest.
I like them.
Shaq, shout out Shaq.
Oh yeah, for $1 too.
$1. Hell yeah.